Hello folks, this is Scott with Dallas Paint Correction and Luxury Microfiber here in Dallas, Texas. I have never done this type of unboxing review, but I want to give a shout out to Turtle Wax. Turtle Wax, I'm grateful you sent this kit to me. I also have another kit as well that I've used. I felt like this video needed to be done because in all the years I've been detailing and buying detailing products, I've never really seen such a sexy presentation and boxing to a detailing product or a detailing system, if you will. This is from Turtle Wax's, their hybrid solutions. This is their black wax, their polish and their spray. And I'm going to be uploading a video of me using the product, and I'll get into that in a minute. But I want to open up this box. I don't know if this box is available to the buying public as of this very moment, but I have seen the polish and I have seen the spray. You can buy them independently on Amazon. But let me open up this box. This box is really cool. I smiled when I opened it and got a chance to use it. You open up this box and you have in here the Hybrid Solutions Ceramic Acrylic Black Polish. Very interesting. This is kind of like an all-in-one. Has the ability to remove some light imperfections. It's also filling the panel quite a bit. It has a black pigment to it. It also has carnauba wax in it. It also has SiO2 and acrylic polymers. That's kind of interesting. That's a little bit of everything in one bottle. A black pigment, a carnauba wax, SiO2, and acrylic polymers. They also say this has some type of polishing platelets in it. I've never heard a company discuss their abrasives as a platelet. Don't really know what that means. Perhaps I'll ask Turtle Wax what they mean by that, but I'll go down that rabbit hole maybe in the future. So that's the polish that comes in this kit. Pretty cool. On the other side of this box here, they have the Turtle Wax Hybrid Ceramic Acrylic Black Wax. This also has a black pigment in it. It also has carnauba in it, also has SiO2, and it also has acrylic polymers within it. So you polish your car with this, you wait about 24 hours, and then you can use this as a topper to be able to maintain the protection that's left behind within the polish, plus add a little bit more black pigment or fillers, if you will. I'll get into the video. I'll upload the video here within the next couple of days of me using the product. A little bit difficult for me to make that video. It took me about 4 takes because it was difficult to find something. You know, I always want to discuss the pros and cons of a product. Unfortunately, there were a lot of cons, but there were some pros that I was able to find. And the pros really lie with the ceramic acrylic black wax spray. There's some off-label uses that I'm going to talk about with this product that could be really, really handy. So if you open up this box, you pull on these little tabs. This is the cool part of the kit. It comes with 2 black microfiber towels, and I think this is appropriate because if you use like a white towel, yellow towel, or whatever, that black pigment that's found in both these products is going to stain your towel. So the black towels, the microfiber towels were appropriate in the kit. That's cool. Also inside the kit, they give you 2 polishing pads. These are like a medium cut orange polishing pad. One's a 5-inch and one's a 6-inch, depending on what backing plate you have on your dual action polisher. I will say this, I'll give you a little bit of a tease. Using these pads with this polish on just about every paint system you will come across, whether it's hard or soft, there are some issues. It doesn't play friendly on just about every paint system I used it on, and I'll discuss why that happens within the video. And I think it's something that just needs to be known. If we look a little bit further into the box, because you can apply this stuff by hand if you want, comes with the little Turtle Wax foam applicator. Also has a sticker. If you're into that, you want to put it on your window or your car or something, that's cool. But there's the kit. Comes with the 2 pads, which I think is awesome. Comes with 2 microfiber towels. Put this thing on the back, on top of here again, and you've got the spray and you've got the polish. I think this kit, guys, I don't remember. I couldn't find a retail price for this, but I think someone told me around $80 to $100 if you buy this kit. You can buy the ceramic acrylic black polish by Turtle Wax on Amazon. I think it's somewhere around 18 or 19 bucks. It will just come on its own, like most polishes and compounds. And I think the spray, which I actually have a lot of nice things to say about this spray, and that's the part that I enjoy about the video that I'm about to upload here in the next couple of days. I think this is around $16.99 if you buy it out of the kit, so that's something to consider. And I found both of these on Amazon, just not in a complete kit. Turtle Wax, I want to thank you. This is probably one of the sexiest boxes I have ever seen, or a kit within the auto detailing industry. When they sent this to me, they kind of made a bold statement. They said, Scott, we want to show you that we're not the Turtle Wax of old. We're not the Turtle Wax your grandfather used. I think that's true to some extent. Turtle Wax has come a long way. I don't think this is really going to help them in the end with some of the, changing of perceptions that they have done with the public recently. This could be a little, this is not a game changer, guys. I think this actually makes Turtle Wax go backwards a little bit. But I'm going to do my best to show you where I think it works really well. But I do have to discuss where it doesn't work well at all, and it's very difficult to recommend. Love you guys. Talk to you soon.